What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add new education on your LinkedIn profile. So once you're on LinkedIn, guys, simply click your profile in the upper left hand side. That's going to take it over to your profile page, and here you will be able to add your new education. So in order to add that, simply click the edit button or the pencil icon towards the right hand side of your profile page here, and if you scroll down in this section, you'll have the section that says add a new education. So you can simply click this button here and you can add in the new education. So for here you can basically type in the school, whatever. So I'm gonna make something up. So let's type in Boston. I'm gonna type Boston University as an example here. Bachelor's, I'm gonna write bachelor's of I'm gonna type bachelor's. Let's see whatever pop up. I'm gonna say, for example, the Bachelor of Science as an example here, and the field I'm gonna say tech. Let's see, information technology as an example, and we'll just make up start year. So I'm gonna make something here and say start that in 2013, and end I'm gonna say December, and I'm gonna say 2016, 3 years, and grade I'm gonna say, let's put 4 as an example, or 3, let's put something like that. And you can basically fill in whatever details you want to write here. So you can put the activities here, you can put some description if you so desire, you can add in some skills and all those good stuff. Once you're done, just simply click on save, guys, and you now have a new education add into your account. So from here you can always go ahead and you can skip, or you can continue with the next. I'm going to just skip some of those different stuff here. It says you can showcase some expertise or skills. I can just basically skip that, or I can add something. I'm going to choose, for example, YouTube, add a skill there, and so forth. You can add in these different things. Once you're done, just simply click on the save, and you're all done from there. So this is going to be added to your account, and at any point in time you want to basically check your profile, you will be able to see it. So if you scroll down on your profile page, you will see that the education is there. You can always edit this one, and you can add new one from here under this section. The same goes for skills, the same goes for interest, different things you can add. But if you're looking for how to add the educations, you can easily add it by simply clicking on the edit button, and you can add them in. Or if you have one already existed, you can just simply scroll down on your page now, and you can click the plus icon again and just start to add more details from here, and more or new ones from here. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.